and today we're gonna make this kind of airplane. So first we will gonna do it like this. Right here. Indeed. After we do this, we will gonna do it like this, the same thing another side. After we do this, we should do like this and the same thing here. Then after we do like this, we should do it like this, like a bat, preview. After we do like this, we do it like this, and the same thing another side. Here it is. And I wanted to tell one thing. If I were gonna throw it from here, it will gonna fly bad. If I'm gonna throw it from the middle, it will gonna fly good. But if I'm gonna throw it from the back side, it will gonna come to you back.